these come up, and then you know it's ready to be picked. I'm going to pick this. This is a tiny bulb. It's going to be very tasty, though I can use it in some curry. And the leaves I can use as a fresh salad or in a stir fry. Let's see if we have more. This one has come up too. So as you can see, this one is out here. So pull this one out. And maybe grab another couple. Give them a quick rinse. You can see they're beautiful, little tiny because we planted them too close to each other, but the leaves are a beautiful green. I can use all these fresh leaves as well as Here is a detailed list of ingredients for your easy reference, and for additional written instructions, please see the link in the description box below. So I'm going to put this through the salad spinner just to get the water off. And a quick tip, if you soak the leaves in some ice cold water, it is going to perk up the wilted leaves. So that's what I did because I picked these earlier in the day, so now I can use them for my salad. I'm going to give this cut these into small bite-sized pieces. What I have here is 2 teaspoons of oil. In this I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And once these crackle, I'll add hing or asafoetida, and then I will use this as a dressing for my salad. So the rest of our ingredients for the seasoning or dressing of the salad is going to be peanuts. This is 1/4 cup of roasted salted peanuts, which I will powder, some lemon juice, a little bit of sugar, just about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and salt to taste. A little bit of sugar. All of our, actually I'm just going to use half of it. Salt to taste. Since it's already salted, I'm not using a lot of salt. And then what we have is lemon juice. Smells so good, especially that seasoned oil. It smells really, really good. Do you want it?
Great. Nice flavor and texture. I think it's great. The leaves taste so fresh and the peanuts are very crunchy.